Oh, look, you can disallow comments.
Yeah, I can make it so people can't comment. I can make it so people can't duet or stitch. And you can actually change at least the duet and stitch features, I know, once the video is posted. So I've actually done that before when one of our videos was getting a lot of like hateful stitches, and I was just like, I'm over it. Like a couple is okay, but after a while you're just like, this is just gonna blow up on like troll TikTok, and that's not why we're here. So unfortunately, sometimes when I want to duet or stitch videos, it's disabled on their video. And there are ways kind of around that, you know, where you can screen record what you want to screen record. But it doesn't give them any kudos, or it doesn't give them as much kudos because you're not like reacting with the native video itself. And we can also, you know, add hashtags. We can tag people here, link up a video. You can set some privacy on that video.
The add link button for.
If you want to add a link for any of these particular options. At this point, TikTok doesn't have like a good link feature other than the link you get in your bio, but you can have a link tree in there like we have so that your link can go to multiple places. And you can, there's a couple of ways that posts can be sponsored by you or by an advertiser. Not that our people necessarily would be getting into that, but I'm just saying when you do have a post sponsored, then it would go to an outside link as well. So let's say like for example, this digital ministry summit that we're working with Convergence on, if they wanted to sponsor some of our videos that were, hey Convergence, by the way, if you want to sponsor some of our videos that are talking about this conference, they could do that and make it so anytime someone clicked on the ad, which it would be an ad at that point, then it would go to the summit page. It's an option.